Greetings, friend. Watch refrigeration news for Thursday, May 25, 2023 on our channel. PHNIX applied R290 refrigerant in GreenTherm series heat pump. Embraco launches new products at Hotelex Shanghai. Panasonic combines air conditioning and air quality with new ZKE. Global Industrial Refrigeration Systems Market Insights forecast to 2032. Magnavale have made a £130 million investment into our new cold storage. Johnson Controls break ground new engineering center and lab space. 2024 AHR Expo, next stop is Chicago. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. PHNIX applied R290 refrigerant in GreenTherm series heat pump. PHNIX applied R290 refrigerant in GreenTherm series heat pump to reduce carbon emission and curb global warming. PHNIX, as leading heat pump manufacturer in China, is leveraging its expertise to help protect the climate by introducing the natural refrigerant R290 to our heat pump product range. In the beginning of 2021, we brought to the global stage R290 GreenTherm series, which is our first heat pump product to use R290. We were the first Chinese heat pump manufacturer that locked R290 heat pump to the global market. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Embraco launches new products at Hotelex Shanghai. From May 29 to June 1, Embraco, a global provider of refrigeration technology for the complete residential and commercial cold chain and a Nidec global appliances brand, will be presenting 3 new variable speed compressors models for the Chinese market at the Shanghai International Hospitality Equipment and AMP Food Service Expo, Hotelex, and announcing the start of production of the next compressors in China. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Panasonic combines air conditioning and air quality with new ZKE. Panasonic Heating and AMP Cooling Solutions is enhancing its range of air conditioners with the new wall-mounted ZKE, which has the air cleaning Nano-EX technology built in as standard. Designed to fit in the smallest spaces of any home, the TZ offers smart comfort in a compact unit with an energy efficiency rating of up to A++ for both heating and cooling. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Global Industrial Refrigeration Systems Market Insights forecast to 2032. The industrial refrigeration systems market was valued at $20.17 billion in 2022. The market is growing at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2022 to 2032. The global industrial refrigeration systems market is expected to reach $31.62 billion by 2032. Asia Pacific is expected to grow the fastest during the forecast period. The global industrial refrigeration systems market is expected to reach $31. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Magnavale have made a £130 million investment into our new cold storage. Magnavale have made a £130 million investment into our new cold storage development in Easton, Lincolnshire. The Europe's most efficient temperature-controlled storage facility was break ground in September 2022. Magnavale have achieved many of our development milestones, and some of the aspects of the project have already been completed. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Johnson Controls break ground new engineering center and lab space. Johnson Controls held a ceremonial groundbreaking celebrating a new state-of-the-art engineering center and laboratory facility where 250 engineering and technology-focused employees will design and test the very best in smart, healthy and sustainable building technology. Johnson Controls will lease the property from owner and developer, Ways Development. Read more the news on our website today. Seventh news today. 2024 AHR Expo, next stop is Chicago. AHR Expo has established itself as the ultimate gathering of industry professionals, manufacturers, suppliers, and thought leaders, all converging to explore the latest innovations, technologies, and trends in HVACR. With a rich history spanning several decades, AHR Expo has continually evolved, earning its reputation as the premier event that sets the course for the industry. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow refrigeration news on social networks. Please find the links below.